In today's short video, I will give a brief information about birds.
Birds are one of nature's most fascinating creatures. There are thousands of different species of birds around the world, each with unique characteristics and living in various ecosystems. Birds are derived from dinosaurs in the evolutionary process. Their diversity has increased over the centuries, and different species have emerged due to factors such as intercontinental migrations and climate changes. Birds play an important role in ecosystems. They fulfill many ecological functions, from plant pollination to insect control.